How to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Now navigate to the Friends tab. Here you're gonna find all the conversation. Now open any of the conversation. Now click on this picture icon given over here. Your gallery will open up. Now select any of the picture and send it. It's gonna appear in this way. The picture won't be sent as snap. In order to send picture as snap, what you have to do is click on the camera option. Once your camera opens up, at the right you're gonna find different filters. Scroll all the way to the very end. You'll find the option of browse. You have to click on it. Now at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in green screen and then search for it. Once that filter appears, click on it. Now your video will appear in this way. Likewise, for the background you are able to choose the picture from the gallery. Select the picture that you want to send as a snap. You will also be visible. So what you can do is tilt your phone. Now you can take a picture. Once you do that, now you can click on send to. Check in for the people to whom you want to send. After you send, you can head back and head towards the conversation with that person. It's gonna be sent as snap. You can see that. So this way you are able to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.